Pokemon!
You gotta catch them all, but what if you lost access to your Pokemon GO account? Whether you've forgotten your password, you switched devices, or got logged out due to a ban. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel Himanshu where you're watching GetAssist, and in today's video, I'll show you step-by-step process to get back your Pokemon GO account. Now first of all, open up your Pokemon GO app, and since you are signed out, probably land on this page asking you if you are a returning player or a new player. Then just tap on returning player. After that, you'll get these options. If any of these options work for you, whether email address, Facebook account or trainers club, then choose to get back your account. Otherwise, directly go down and choose the option here stating can't sign in. Then you'll be redirected to your browser on Niantic support page. Now scroll down and reach this point where it's written visit account recovery to get an account reminder. Here, to recover your account, either you can enter your email ID or just need to choose your trainer name option. Like this, enter your name and then it will send an OTP to your registered email ID. Like this. Just enter that 8-digit code and further you'll be back with your Pokemon GO account. But what if you're no longer having access on your registered mail ID? Then follow these steps. After tapping on the can't sign in option, when you'll be redirected to the support page, scroll down and tap on this blue text of using this form. Here, enter your username, any valid email address, then select the issue category of ban account and describe your problem like I'm explaining that my Pokemon GO account was connected to my Google account but I no longer having its access, or you can say I haven't violated any community guideline. Please recover my account if it's banned and help me to recover it and submit it. After which Pokemon GO support will send you a mail that they have received your request and will review your appeal soon. After all the proceeding and reviewing, your account will be back and probably get an option to reset your password. And next step, just log in and go get a catch them all. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then do hit the like button, comment on this video and share with your friends who are suffering with the same problem. And what else? I'll meet you in the next one.